Oops. Tall girl props. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me, as well as hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. As you can tell by the title of this video, it's your girl's birthday. If it's your birthday, make some noise. If it's your birthday, make some noise. If it's your birthday, make some noise. Happy birthday to me. For all my April babies out there, or maybe you've already celebrated your birthday in quarantine, or maybe you're about to celebrate your birthday in quarantine, I feel for you because I know this is not ideal. I know you probably did not plan to celebrate your birthday in the house. This was not part of my plans. I definitely for sure had plans and this was not it, but honestly I'm just thankful and so happy to see another day, see another birthday, see another year, and I'm just really even more blessed to be just healthy through all this mess, through corona and all that kind of stuff. Hope you guys are safe out there, but trust me, I feel for you. I had plans, they got canceled, so I'm just gonna make the best out of today, but I am gonna take you guys along with me and show you guys what all I do for my birthday. Go ahead and like this video if you'd like to tell me virtually happy birthday, or maybe go ahead and leave me a comment. I'd love to see it. All the extra love on my special day, just it brightens my day, makes me happy. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this vlog because it's time to get lit. Y'all get lit with me, hopefully. If not, it's cool, but I'm gonna get lit for my birthday, so. Say hey, YouTube. Too bad I have my AirPods in. They can't hear you. Say hey. This is my best friend Jay. She acting a little camera shy. Crown Royal Apple and Sprite. Let's see how this tastes. Do I like it? It's good. It's alright. Needs a little bit more oomph. No, this is brand new Sprite. She tried to cover my Sprite saying it was flat. Girl, bye. It's good, but it could be better. Let's say that. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open my gifts. I'm really excited to see what I got. You're always supposed to open your card first. That's gift etiquette right there. Read the nice handwritten note that they wrote you. And let's see. My mom is so sweet. All right, which one should we open first? I'm gonna go with this bag first. She's cute. All my little packages are cute. I'm here for it. What's mama gonna get me? Yo, what is this? I don't know what this is, so we're gonna open it together. If I can freaking open it. Got a wallet from LV. She has like some pink detailing on the side to match my pink purse. This is so cute. Oh, and it's customized. It has my initials in it. You're not gonna be able to see this, but my wallet has my initials in it. And it's pink accented because I have a purse, LV purse, and it has pink accents in it. This is perfect. Perfect gift. I'm in love. This matches my purse perfectly. So now I got a wallet to match. I'm gonna go with this gift next. I'm gonna save the best, not the best for last, but the biggest for last. I don't know what I got. So this is my next gift. It looks like a nice little perfume set, which it is. Saint Laurent perfume. Oh my goodness, let's see how she smells. So this is what the bottle looks like. She cute, she pretty. Let's see what she smells like. It smells so good. It smells amazing. So if you guys, ever at the mall, go give yourself a little spritz. You see what it smells like, because I'm a fan. She smells really good, and I'm really gonna be taking advantage of this travel size little bottle and keep it in my purse at all times with me because I'm always on the go and I want to smell good. So this is really gonna come in handy. y'all. I already know what this is. This is a fur coat from Jluxabel. I wanted this freaking coat for the longest time. I wanted this coat so bad, and now look. I freaking love fur coats. I'm gonna try this on for you guys in a second, but this is just a multicolored fur coat that I got from Jluxabel. And like I said, I wanted this when she first came out, and now I have it. What do we have next? This is a dress from Jluxabel. It is called Ivory Perfection Low Side Dress, and I got this on medium. Ah, this dress is so freaking cute. I don't even own a full-length dress, and this would go perfectly with my fur coat. I love white dresses. Just white on, I feel like anybody's skin tone makes you pop. So hopefully this fits, because I definitely need to add one of these to my collection. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Okay, so I don't know if this was by accident or what. My mom left her credit card in my birthday bag. Little does she know, happy birthday to me. We're going shopping. Maybe that's what she meant. Maybe she left it in there so I would see it and go shopping. I don't know, but definitely gonna give that a try. Wish me luck, but it was in the bag, you know? So I just want to show you guys what both pieces looked like. Both of my pieces are from Jluxabel, both the coat and this dress. This is what the coat looks like. I think she's so cute. She has all these pretty colors like tans and gray, brown and cream. She's really pretty. And the jacket also comes with a hood. Like, how cute is this coat? Like, can we just take a moment? Just how fashionable is this coat? I love it. If you guys have never heard of Jluxabel, it's a really nice quality fashion brand. They have a lot of cute pieces, a lot of fashionable things. That was the coat. Now let me show you guys the dress. So guys, this is the dress I got from Jluxabel. She is a full-length dress. She is all white. She is really form-fitting. I love the texture and like the quality. I did get the dress in a medium, and I think she fits perfectly. She's just one of those like bodycon dresses, and I love that it's white. You can easily just like throw this on, dress it up, dress it down, throw my coat. So, a little story time about me and my fascination with coats. I love them to death. I think they're super cute on. They make any outfit pop. But for some reason, they don't love me back. I've had 2 fur coats that I now do not have anymore because they're gone. They're gone. How do you lose a fur coat? I don't know, but I've managed to lose 2 of them. Little side story behind both my coats. I have this burgundy one, and she was super cute. Loved her. Probably like the last time I wore it was around Valentine's Day, maybe like a year or 2 ago. Wore it for Valentine's Day, took pictures in it. It's been all over my social media. I love that coat, and I let a friend borrow it. Rule number 1 about clothes, about anything that you own in your possession, don't let your friends borrow it, because a lot of times your friends asking to wear it or to use whatever you got because they like it. Some of them got sticky fingers, and to this day I do not have my coat. It is probably off in another country because the friend lives in another country, actually went over there to Paris to go, you know, hang out with her, vibe with her, whatever. And yeah, still didn't get it back. Still to this day, no burgundy coat. For my next story, I got this coat. It was a pink one. It was a nice, pretty pink fur coat. I actually just got it for Christmas, and I lost it at the airport. Yeah, how do you lose a fur coat at the airport that I wasn't even wearing at the airport? I don't know. Honestly, what happened was it was in my bags. I just got off the plane. I was going to my car. I had headphones in, so I wasn't really like, you know, really paying attention. I was by myself at the airport. All of a sudden, when I was leaving the airport and walking to my car, my bag just randomly unzipped itself, and just all my clothes just spilled on the floor. Meanwhile, I'm walking with a whole bunch of people. We just got off the plane and we're all trying to get to our next destination, and mine was to my car. So I'm walking outside, walking to my car, and all of a sudden, like I said, all my clothes just fall on the floor. But there was one item one item that was missing out of all my clothes that dropped on the floor. And it was my pink fur coat that I just got for Christmas. I don't think anybody picked it up because, like I said, I would have seen, I think I would have seen someone pick it up, but no one helped me pick up all my clothes. That's the thing. I was picking it up and trying to hurry up and pick up everything by myself, and no one else was around me. Well, there was a lot of people around me, but no one actually helped me pick up anything. So I was like, if no one helped me pick up anything, and I know for sure it was in my bag, because that was why my bag was so heavy. I was carrying like a little duffel bag. That was why my bag was so heavy. It was because the stupid coat was taking up all the room in my bag. And like I said, all my stuff on the floor, I'm grabbing everything, and the one thing that's missing is my fur coat. I think it's because like I had to check my bag in. It was a duffel bag. I didn't check that bag on when I left to go out of town, but when I came back, they needed me to check it on because the plane was so full. So I checked in my bag. Like I said, it was there when I put it in there when I was getting on the plane, and it was gone by the time I got off. And I'm assuming someone took it, because how do you lose a fur coat? I don't understand. I don't understand. I'm assuming, like I said, someone picked it up, they grabbed it, they saw my bag. I don't know, but it was the first thing that was in my bag, and you know, I was picking up everything. She was gone. I'm really upset about it, but we're keeping this one. This one's on lockdown. She's not leaving the house because I really like it. Yeah, that is my little story time. I tried to share that because I feel some type of way that I always freaking lose my fur coats. Don't know what it is, but they're gone. And like I said, she's on lockdown. No one's touching her. No one's borrowing her. Just let y'all know. Okay guys, so I'm now about to take a bubble bath. I just ran me a nice bath. I got all my essentials. And when I mean essentials, of course, we have the wine. I have a face scrub that I'm gonna be doing. I have my face soap, a scrubber, and yeah, I'm about to get ready to take a nice relaxing bath. These are the products I put in my bubble bath. This is just some foaming bath salt. Same line, I kind of just wanted to relax my bath. They did have other lines, like stuff to help you sleep or help with soreness, but I thought the relax and relief line would be good. It smells really good. I'm just gonna go ahead and hop in this bubble bath, and I will see you guys when I get out. So this is what I have for lunch today. This is my birthday meal. My mom asked what I wanted for my birthday, and I decided to go with one of my favorite restaurants. It's just, you know, a little Thai restaurant around here. I got me some hot and sour soup. This is Thai basil rice. I got a little spicy because I love a little kick. And these are the rolls I got. I believe it's just like a fried California roll. It's really good when they're fresh, but you know. And to top it all off, a nice little glass of wine. So, happy birthday to me.
Hey, best friend. Oh, pose for a best friend. Pose.
Hey, birthday bitch.
Hey. That's me. Oh.
Who is she? It's Shekinah. Life of Kai. Where are we going, Shekinah?
We are going yonder over there. I don't know if you can see it yet, but there is like a little like waterway. It's not a lake, it's not a river, I don't know what you call it. But we're gonna go over there and
This is Shekinah's super special vlog because she gets to be in it the whole time. Are you recording? I wish you guys saw. I don't know if you got that. There she is in all her glory.
this is me in a dip.
Shekinah glory. She did it again.
Yeah.
This is the second time she.
I don't get out in nature much often. But
That's
when I
why.
do.
Why is my best friend so cute?
Yes. Oh, renegade. Renegade. Okay. Yes. It's my birthday! Happy birthday, by the way. It's my birthday. Oh! I'm not your party favor.
really good birthday, and I thank you guys so much for all my birthday wishes. I know it's probably not ideal celebrating your birthday in the house or in quarantine, but I had nothing else to do, but I really did enjoy it. There was nothing but self-care, self-love. I got a lot of love from my friends, my family. A couple days before, I ended up buying all my favorite food, my favorite snacks, so I can keep myself full and, you know, enjoy myself on my actual birthday. I even got my favorite food for lunch, so that was really cool. Ran me a nice little bubble bath. I got really cute, took cute pictures. So overall, I had a really good birthday, and let's not forget about the gifts. Those were really cool. I'm so thankful for my mom for getting me all those wonderful gifts. I love every single last one of them. I also want to say happy birthday to everyone out there who's had to celebrate their birthday in quarantine and weeks before, weeks to come up. Happy birthday. I hope you guys enjoy yourself. I hope you guys are being safe out there. That is it for my birthday vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and celebrating with me and wishing me happy birthday. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave me a little comment down below in the comment section. Like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.